I am Amina Bouhlala, Regulatory Project Manager at Servier for 7 years. I have an higher education in chemistry and health biology, followed by a master's degree in Regulatory Affairs in Pharmacy School. I made some internship at ANSM, Agence Nationale de Sécurité du Médicament, and Servier is my first permanent position. So I discovered regulatory affairs during my internship at ANSM. I appreciate the organization, the structure, the coordination, and we are also working with different line functions, like different experts, and we are in direct contact with health authorities. Regulatory affairs is involved very early in the process, even before clinical trials and until the discontinuation of the drug. Regulatory affairs team ensure that the dossier comply with regulatory requirements, and our goal is to prepare and submit the dossier to health authorities. Health authorities will evaluate the benefit-risk ratio of our drug thanks to quality, non-clinical, clinical data, etc. Our dossier is submitted in a digital format to allow easy navigation and evaluation by health authorities. After the submission of our dossier, it's not the end of the story, so we have to answer to some questions, and after the approval, we have lifecycle management activities like safety report, variation, renewal, etc. The global regulatory team is composed by different stakeholders. So we have the global regulatory lead, who is in charge of the strategy. We have the regional regulatory lead, who is the main contact for our local regulatory affairs colleagues. He has the knowledge of the local regulation. We have submission manager, project manager, regulatory CMC colleague. We have labeling managers, publishing and quality experts. I manage a team of 15 people. 8 of them are directly working with me, and I have a subcontracting platform which is in charge of lifecycle management for mature portfolio. I ensure the implementation of the strategy for our product. I'm following timelines for each document in order to be sure that the dossier will be ready on time. I coordinate pre-submission activity and post-submission activity. For pre-submission activity, we have meetings with authorities, we have to answer to some questions. For post-submission activity, we have all the lifecycle management, and it's a big part of our activity. We have all the safety variation, the CMC variation for our products. We have the renewal to keep the product on the market. So it's very interesting to have different activities. When I start my day, my first activity will be to open my emails, and it's a big part. I have to navigate and check if we received any new question from health authorities. If we have any, I will organize meetings with stakeholders in order to understand the question, set up the timelines, see who is responsible of what. After that, I follow my ongoing topics like ongoing question, ongoing documents. I follow these directly with experts or our regulatory team. What it is interesting is that we have many contacts with colleagues outside of regulatory affairs, like clinical, non-clinical colleagues, market access, or production. Servier is a global pharmaceutical company offering the possibility to work for different countries from France. Working for headquarters allows me to develop my knowledge on different markets, EU, US, international countries, and it's very interesting and challenging. My work environment is very motivated. We are all moving in the same direction with the same goal, the patients. We have a very friendly atmosphere that makes people want to stay for a long time. Products are very innovative at Servier, and I have the satisfaction to know that our work can really change patients' lives. I'm proud to work for drugs which have been recognized by experts. It's not only a dossier or papers, there are patients behind that. We can all be impacted by illness in one way or another. It gives ever more sense to my daily work.